So, hello! Today I'm joined by Wasteless Bio, who has sparked thoughtful conversations on reducing laboratory waste since joining the PSL Alliance membership group earlier this year. I'm joined by Matej Metkovic, who is the founder of the company. So, to begin, could you please share the vision of Wasteless Bio and what inspired you to create the company?
Yeah, I think for me, I came from the lab and I saw a lot of times we buy a lot of things we never use, and it was just always annoying to the amount of waste we generate, and especially the waste we never use. And then when I moved to commercial side, we saw how much we produce and it goes to expire and is not even ever visible, while others pay really high price on all of these products to their science. So that's how all the idea came about. And really the vision is I would say quite bold, but that's, I guess the vision should be and would be to have scientists do their proof of concept for out of their own pocket, right? To be so affordable that there should be more discovery and more innovation, and that only thing preventing you from doing good science is really the idea and kind of the knowledge of science that you have. So we really want to bring the cost down so that anyone can access if they have a good idea.
Mhm. So, for those looking to purchase product from you or suppliers looking to move surplus stock or equipment no longer needed in their laboratory, how does the platform work?
Yeah, so on the kind of seller side, we have a vetting process, and then they can upload the products through us on what they have in excess while describing the condition and all the necessary details. So really, we do the bulk of the work on the uploading side to make sure that the quality of the product is high. On the buyer side, it is quite simple. We're trying to make it very easy to use, so you can really check out in a couple of clicks with the PO or a credit card or even Klarna, right? So not only you get much cheaper products, but you can also finance them on our platform. And code generation and PO, it's all automated, right? So you don't need a special inbox, you don't need to speak to a special person. So all of that is kind of very automatic, which makes it very easy to use.
Amazing. So, what type of companies purchase from you?
We initially thought it would be maybe more cost sensitive and very sustainability conscious, but we have all range of companies, from early stage startups to academia to biotechs. So it depends on that there are different needs and different reasons why someone buys.
Perfect. And can you share some recent success stories with us?
Yeah, I think there are a couple. For me, always dear to heart is something where we managed to save the day. Um, we had someone running an experiment and in something the centrifuge broke down. They needed a new rotor, and we managed to get it next day, just from a neighbor next door who was selling this already. So those kind
Mhm.
of stories are really for me, right? It's really nice to see something like this happening where the neighbor can help another neighbor sharing access they don't even use. And then we had someone actually doing manufacturing runs, and they could not get a certain type of material from the original manufacturer. The lead time was too long, and we found it in another company that had too much, all packed in a box, never used. And while they were kind of worrying if they're going to have to abort the manufacturing runs, we managed again deliver them the product, and they managed to do the run. So things
That's
like that are always
amazing.
nice. Or what also happens is that donation channels tend to be quite stochastic, right? You donate to a university expecting they might need it, but because you donate so much, they don't need everything.
Yeah.
And what we are also allowed to do is you can donate on our platform. So people have donated free centrifuges on to universities through us. So really helping people who need and bridging the gap of those who have and those who have less is something that we are really trying to do. So yeah, there's a lot of stories, but I would highlight those because I think, yeah, it just shows that, you know, good science needs good products, but even your neighbors have those good products.
Exactly. And you may not know.
Yes. So yeah, we really allow people to share what they don't use, and these products are, unused in, especially for consumables, but in instruments they maybe used it once, or we have examples where companies buy just in case instrument. So they buy two PCR machines and one is in a box. And after some time, it's like, okay, I don't really need this. I never, all of it's going good. So there's a lot of cases where there's a lot of access in our industry.
How interesting. Back up to the other one. Gosh. So yes, that would lead to a lot of surplus. Well, fantastic case studies. Thank you for sharing that. And
Yeah,
thank you for joining me today, Matej. Really lovely to talk to you.
yeah, no,
So for anyone watching who'd like to learn more about Wasteless Bio and how they can help, please feel free to contact us at Pivotal Scientific and we will introduce you to Wasteless Bio directly. But thanks
thank
very
you.
much, Matej. Lovely
Yeah,
to speak to you.
likewise, Jenny. Thank you.